Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can animate still images on CapCut PC. For instance, you want to animate this image here, go to the animation section and you'll find an in animation and out animation, as well as, as well as a combo animation. So the first one, you can choose from these options for the in animation. Here you can kind of adjust the duration of it as well. There's an out animation as well here. And there's also a combo one that you can place in the middle. Here you can kind of adjust like how long you want each duration to be. But just adjust it to your liking. And you can choose any animations you want. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!